Hello everyone, I am Khanam and this is my 9th video in React series. Okay, in our previous video we have seen about JSX expression and we have seen that if we want to use JavaScript inside our JSX element, we have to wrap that inside curly braces, and inside this JSX elements we can't use conditional statements like if, while and do. We have seen this in our previous tutorial. Okay, if I show you the output, you can see I am having this output. Now I'll just remove this entire thing. Now in this tutorial we are going to see about JSX attributes. Okay, now what are attributes is, if you are aware of HTML, I'll just come to HTML file, and inside this HTML, inside image tag, we used to get this alt. Okay, this is called as attribute. Inside anchor tag we used to get this href, this is called as attribute. And inside button, if I want to give some title, I'll just give here title, this is called as attribute. This is called my attribute. And also inside this anchor element we used to give this target, and this is also called as attributes. Okay, these are all my attributes. Now we are going to see what are JSX attributes. I'll just remove this entire thing from here. Now inside index.js, I'll just write one anchor tag, and inside this href I'll just pass this hash, and here I'll be writing this target. Target is equal to, I'll be writing this blank. This blank means whenever I click on this anchor tag link, I'll be redirected to new tab. Here I'll just write www.google.com. I'll save this. Now I'll just open my browser. Now if I refresh this one, now when I click on this, you can see in my new tab I'll be getting the output. Okay, you can see in my new tab I got the output. I'll just close this. Okay, this is called my attribute. This is for anchor tag. This is also called as attribute. Now here if I just give title, I'll be giving link. I'll save this. Now if I just refresh this one, now whenever I hover on this, you can see I'll be getting this link here. Okay, whenever I hover, I'll be getting this link. That is called my title. This is also an attribute, this is also an attribute, and this is also an attribute. Okay, these are called as JSX attributes. Now in my image, if I just give here inside src, I'll just write here unsplash API. I'll just click on this first link, and from here you will be having this image link. You just copy this image link, and I'll be pasting that link. I'll just change this one. I'll just give here 600, and height I'll be giving 300. I'll save this. I'll just come here. Now if I refresh this one, I'll be getting one image. I have one image here. Okay, this is my image. I'll just inspect this. I'll just come to console. Now here I am getting this fname is assigned and color is assigned but never used. I have used this in my previous video. I'll just comment this one. Now inside my image, if I just don't give this alt, I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, now you can see here I'll be getting this warning: image element must have an alt property either with meaningful text or an empty string for decorative images. Okay, so we have to use this alt, okay, inside the images, or else we will be getting this warning. Now as soon as I give that alt, okay, it can either be empty or you can write something. Okay, once I give this alt, that error, okay, that warning will go. You can see I don't have any warning now, and also I have this image. Now inside this you can give anything here. I'll just give here images alt I'll give. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, I will not be having any effect. My images will be displayed, and also I am having this anchor tag link. Now if I just give here ss, I'll save this. Now if I just refresh this one, you can see here I will not be getting image because my source is not available, and instead of this image I am getting this images alt. Okay, this text whatever I have written inside my alt attribute, I will be getting that as my output. You can see I got that images alt. Now if I just remove this ss from here, I'll save this now. Now if I just refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting this image. Okay, you can see I got this image. I'll be getting random images from this API, Unsplash API. Okay, in this website you will find the images which are copyright free. You will not be having any copyright issues if you use images from this website. I'll just close this one. Okay, this is all about JSX attributes. Images, we have to use alt key, and these are called as attributes. Href, target, title, these are all attribute. Whenever it is necessary to use attributes, then use that one so that your project will be more readable and we can understand that these are attributes. These are JSX attributes. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.